As you see, I'll give you a close-up. So right here, sugar cookies, as you can see the frosting and then under cookies with sprinkles and everything. So let's show you chocolate frosting. I will do vanilla, and they got some sprinkles. It comes with sprinkles. And I got my sister Lorna here to help me because I'm not that good at baking.
So we're gonna preset the oven right now.
And we have this is the pan that we're using for the sugar cookies.
It says, yeah, 1 egg and 1 stick of butter.
So far, our first ingredient is our egg. So yeah, let's get a bowl.
So I have the half cup now. We're gonna fill it with softened butter.
So after we have the butter done, then we're gonna unbox this because it needs to be slippery because we don't want anything to be like stuck. We're gonna use these. We're gonna eat these. We're gonna probably save these. I don't know. Save these for my cousins or something like that. For friends. No, I don't have my cousins. What else?
Can you put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds?
Okay, got you. So we're putting this butter in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Now you can unbox it.
Because I heard people like ASMR.
So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna pour the butter in there.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put 1 egg in there.
Okay, now let's get to mixing. Gotcha. Okay, let's go.
This is what it looks like right now with just the softened butter and the egg. Okay, so I'm gonna put in little by little and you're gonna keep mixing.
Can you mix this? I'll pour it in.
Okay, so this is the part where we put our hands in and we have to mix it with our hands.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This feels so cool. So yeah, here is it so far. It's like slime. It's like kinetic sand / slime. Feels so weird.
It's so pretty with the sprinkles. This is what it looks like after we've mixed it with our hands. A little ball and then roll it up.
In the shape of a cookie. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Show them. So right now,
Alright, so we just put them in. So now we're gonna wait 10 minutes.
so yeah, we will bring you back when they're done. Bye.
These are the cookies. Okay, so this is the last of the dough, and we're just gonna flatten it out on here because this is too big to leave as a round circle. So we're just gonna pop this back in the oven.
Frost them up. Frosty, right? My sister is using this frosting for her cookies and this frosting for my cookies.
And I'm gonna wash this off and I'm gonna use it to put my chocolate frosting on my cookie. Okay, go ahead, call your sisters.
We're done, Nina. Cookies are done. Cookies are done. Cookies are done. Cookies are done. Okay, so let's try out my cookie. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
How do you like it?
Honestly amazing.
Yours was no. Now do the other way.
What's another one?
Hey, you stole my seat.
Speaking of, okay, so the big cookie is ready. Gorgeous.
Hey guys, the big cookie's finally done, and this is how it looks. It looks huge. I can't bring it up to you, or else it's just gonna break in half or something like that. So yeah. So I can't grab the whole cookie up, so I'm just gonna bring it like a little piece of it out the plate and just go for it. Thank you guys so much for joining me and my sisters today while we make sugar cookies while we're locked in the snowstorm. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, so I will see you guys in the next video.